My name is Billy Gascoigne. I'm an economist with the USGS Fort Collins Science Center in Fort Collins, Colorado, and I'm involved in incorporating some of the economic and human dimensions research for the Landscape Conservation Cooperative. Well, I think the biggest conservation challenge today is conservation itself as a land management strategy going against competing land uses, largely driven by economic incentives. And our research is designed to highlight and estimate the economic contribution of some of the conserved habitat here in the Prairie Pothole region. Some of those contributions aren't necessarily all that apparent. So we want to highlight those impacts and make that link between habitat conditions and social and economic impacts. And we feel that that side of the story doesn't get told all that often, and it's a very important piece to make sound land management decisions. For wetlands, for instance, someone might say, oh, there's not that much economic value to it, but that could pull in a lot of resident and non-resident hunters every year. Those hunters might contribute a lot to the local community in terms of restaurants, motels, gas stations, other service industries. It can also have value just to the local residents in terms of open view sheds and quality of life. There's a lot of value to that, to these residents up here in this region. And again, some of those values aren't necessarily all that apparent, but definitely important. There's certainly a research need there to look at the total impacts of land use decisions and to incorporate economics in that. There's certainly a need for economic growth right now, but there is also a need to think more holistically and to make sure that that economic growth and some of those other values that I mentioned, quality of life attributes, cultural values, are also included and maintained in the future. So we hope it'll reach out to a wide array of folks, from the land managers to county commissioners to the general public. We hope the science will inform land management decisions and maybe also as more of an education piece. Again, highlighting those links, those social and economic links back to landscape conditions that aren't always that apparent.